was cool. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be working with Dola Hair. They sent me over their 20-inch body wave wig. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It does come with HD lace, as you can see. It blends into my skin perfectly. Hold on. Yes, it blends into my skin perfectly. This is with no glue, no anything. It also comes with, I believe it's called a piano key elastic band, and you can adjust it to your liking right here. You can make it tighter, you can make it looser, and then as you can see, it also comes with a fake scalp. I will be taking the fake scalp out and bleaching the knots more to my liking, but other than that, the wig comes already, like you can install it. This wig is perfect for beginners. It is definitely beginner friendly. You can definitely apply it out the box, literally. Like, it's perfect. It is perfect already. But like I said earlier, I'm going to take the fake scalp out, bleach the knots more to my liking, and I will be back. Okay, so now that the fake scalp is out and I bleached the knots a little more to my liking, I'm then going to be going in and installing this wig. There is really nothing much I have to do. Like I said, the wig comes, like, you can really install this wig out the box, literally. So I'm just going to get most of the hairs out the way using my hot comb. And then I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace with a razor so that it can give me a more of a jagged line, so it can blend in more with my skin, versus using a pair of scissors that gives me more of a straight cut. Now right here, I am just showing you guys the amount of parting space you get on this wig, and when I tell you it is a great amount, look at that. Look how natural that is. Yeah, but we know what happened. So on that part, I'm going to take my wax stick and lay down any flyaways that I see and go over it with my hot comb so that it can lay down as flat as possible. Oh boy. Like I stated before in the beginning of the video, you can wear this unit glueless. I'm just showing you how that melts into your skin without using any products, any glue, anything. Much better if we let this build up. It's worth the wait for something. So for this look, I'm going to be doing 2 baby hairs on each side. And to slick those down, I'm just going to go in with my GLUELESS knot and cut them to my liking. So once again, now that is all done, I'm showing you guys how you can wear this unit glueless. No glue, no sprays, nothing. Literally, it just melts into your skin. So I do like the curl pattern on this wig, so to go ahead and define it more, I went in with my waver, crimper, I really don't know what this is called, And yeah, I'm just trying to define the curl pattern a little bit more. That's pretty much it, you guys. This wig is super duper nice. Once again, it is beginner friendly. Like, you can definitely take this out the box and install right away. You don't need to do anything to this wig. I will have all their information down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next one.